Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne. So in today's video I'm going to use this palette, which is from Glamlite Cosmetics, and it's a collaboration with this gorgeous woman called Alondra Dessy. I searched her up on Instagram and she's like this really beautiful woman. I think she's like an Instagram model or something. And she has a collaboration with Glamlite Cosmetics. This is how the palette looks. I think it's really beautiful. It has a lot of neutrals, also some more popping colors. And this is the look that I came up with. I think it's like a sunset kind of eye look. I didn't intend to do like a sunset inspired makeup look, but this is just how it turned out. But yeah, let's get started. I hope you guys will enjoy today's tutorial. So for today's video I'm going to use the Glamlite Cosmetics 50 Luxurious Eyeshadow Palette in collaboration with Alondra Dessy. And the first color I'm going in with is called Horchata. And I'm taking a Sigma E40 brush and I'm going to blend this all over my crease. This is going to be my transition shade. So this is not really like a very dark color, but this is like the first shade which we will use to build up the other eye colors. Then for the next color I'm going in with Cotton Candy. Now I'm taking a smaller brush because I really want to focus like straight in my crease. And I also want this pink to really pop in my crease, so I'm definitely going back a few times with my brush into this eyeshadow to make sure that it looks like as pink as possible. Now for the next color I'm going to mix the shades Selena and Shady, and I'm going to blend it around the outer V area and also at the inner corner area. I want to create a sort of halo cut crease kind of type of eye look. I'm not really sure yet, but for that I have to kind of darken up the edges of both sides. So I am experiencing a lot of fallout, which kind of sucks because I have already applied my foundation, but I'm just going to try to fix that at the end. So now the next color I'm going in with is called Espresso, and I'm taking a very tiny Morphe M507 brush, and I'm going to start blending that at the outer ends of my eyelid as well, just to darken it up even more. Now I'm going to take the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and I'm going to apply this with a very tiny concealer brush, and I'm going to create a halo effect all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to take the shade Lit using a synthetic brush, and I am going to make that brush wet, and I'm going to apply this at the middle part of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take the shade Sunshine, which is a yellow color. And you're now probably thinking like, yellow? Yeah, I know. I want to give it a different twist, so I'm going to apply this at the outer edges of both sides, like where I just applied that lid color in the middle part. Now I'm going again in with the Morphe M507 brush and blending the shades Selena and Shady together again and blending this around the edges as well. So now I'm going in with the Inglot Kohl Pencil in the shade 01 and I'm going to apply this all the way in my waterline. And then I'm going in with the Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. This is just a simple black eyeliner and I'm going to create a line above my lash line. Now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to take the Morphe and Jack Nail palette. I'm taking the black eyeshadow with a brush from Suiva, which is in the number 238. And I'm going to press this eyeshadow right underneath the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Shady and Selena again and using a Morphe E36 brush to blend this underneath the lower lash line as well. So I'm going to do my mascara off camera, but for my lashes today I will be using the Mitchell lashes from Tati, which are very dramatic and I think they will suit very nicely with today's. And then to finish it all off, I'm going in with this Be Perfect Cosmetics palette in collaboration with Mitchell, which is an absolutely amazing makeup artist. I'm going to use the shade Made It and I'm going to use this for the inner corner to really brighten it up. I am going to make my brush wet again because I feel like this gives like the most color payoff. And then this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video where I used this palette from Glamlite Cosmetics. I actually really enjoy using this palette. I felt like the matte shades were really easy to blend out. The shimmery ones were really easy to blend out as well, and I feel like it stays in place. I'm wearing it now for a few hours already and I think it's really pretty. I love how it turned out. It's like a sunset kind of halo eye look and I think it's really pretty. It will really make your eyes pop. I know for some people this might be a little bit dramatic, but my previous videos were more like wearable glam looks and this is more a creative glam look, I guess. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This will be really helpful for my YouTube channel and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights. Doing what we want to. Doing what we need to do. Staying up all night. Everything is alright.